Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card. So before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. It comes right in the box, and I believe that it's literally under the cable, if you're wondering. So once you have that, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, right over here. So you want to press it in, and you will see that the tray pops out. And when you take it out, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now I'll be only using 1 SIM card. So you want to place them accordingly, like so. Make sure that they're laying flush on the tray. And then while either holding them securely or just flipping the device aside, you want to slide it back into the device. As you can see right now. There we go. So once you inserted, we will need to put in a pin, there we go, for the SIM card. At least that is for me, I have a pin on my SIM card. And let's do it again. So the SIM card is working and SD card should be working just as well. Let me just quickly go to storage just so I can show. There we go, there's the SD card. As you can see, 31.9 gigs available. So that is how you would insert both SIM and SD. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.